Curious about the fuse box location and diagram for the 2019 GMC Yukon? Wondering where each fuse panel is and what its functions are? This guide answers all your questions, helping you locate and understand every fuse easily. Engine compartment fuse box. The engine compartment fuse box in the 2019 GMC Yukon protects and powers key systems like the engine, transmission, cooling fans, fuel system, and lighting. It ensures safe electrical distribution to essential components for proper vehicle operation. Instrument panel fuse box right side. The instrument panel fuse box on the right side of the 2019 GMC Yukon supplies and protects power for interior features, such as infotainment, climate control, power outlets, seating, and safety electronics. It ensures reliable operation of the vehicle's cabin and convenience systems. Instrument panel fuse box left side. The instrument panel fuse box on the left side of the 2019 GMC Yukon provides and safeguards power for driver-focused features, including lighting controls, steering wheel functions, data connections, and key interior electronics. It helps ensure smooth and safe operation of essential cabin systems. Rear compartment fuse box. The rear compartment fuse box in the 2019 GMC Yukon powers and protects rear vehicle systems such as the liftgate, rear climate control, heated seats, trailer wiring, and rear defogger. It ensures proper functioning of comfort, convenience, and towing features located at the back of the vehicle. Type of fuses: blade fuse, standard blade fuse, mini blade fuse, maxi blade fuse, micro 2 fuse, micro 3 fuse, J-case fuse. Glass tube fuse, AGC fuse, SFE fuse. Ceramic fuse, Bosch fuse, DIN fuse. PAL fuse, low profile fuse, standard PAL fuse. Link fuse, mega fuse, high amperage link fuse. Fuse conditions: blown fuse. A blown fuse means it's no longer functioning and needs replacement, while a perfect fuse is in good working condition and performing as expected. How to change fuses: turn off the vehicle, locate the fuse box, identify the faulty fuse, remove the faulty fuse, inspect and obtain a replacement, install the new fuse, test the replacement. Safety precautions: disconnect the battery, wear protective gear, use proper tools. Check for the correct amperage, avoid water exposure. If this guide on fuse box location and diagram is helpful, give a like or subscribe for more tips and updates. Thanks for watching.